ICT is more of a tool than a need itself. The growth of ICT in the state has affected every aspect of human life, as virtually every aspect of our lives has a digital dimension. ICT is a major instrument that is being used by government to enhance service delivery strategy, and to bring about new innovations for the development of economy. Let us take a look at Lagos State Smart City Initiative, which is an ambitious and all-encompassing project that will holistically address all sectors of the economy. Put in proper perspective, a smart city is one in which most of facilities and infrastructure are ICT driven. It is a municipality that uses information and communication technologies to increase operational efficiency, share information with public, and improve both quality of government services and citizen welfare. The main objective of Lagos Smart City Initiative is to connect human capital, social capital, and ICT infrastructure in order to address public issues, achieve a sustainable development, and increase the quality of life of its citizens within the shortest possible time. The need for a smart city arises from global advancements in technology and its application to impact speedily in almost all challenges facing a megacity like Lagos, having the following components: e-government, safe city, smart transportation, smart manufacturing, mobility and Wi-Fi, smart and digital citizens, open data, smart farming and agriculture, smart buildings, smart grid, energy and utilities, and much more. The first phase of the Lagos State Smart City project will seek to address security, transportation, and infrastructure. The second phase will also continue to address security, transportation, and connectivity in a sustainable manner. The security component will deploy thousands of surveillance closed-circuit TV cameras through the length and breadth of the state. The transportation component focuses on intelligent transport services, and its connectivity component will provision of metro fiber network through a major internet service provider that will eventually lead connectivity to various homes, offices, and institutions in the state. The driver license processing and verification portal. This portal, upon completion, will ease the process of issuing driver's license in Lagos State. The portal will also boost the confidence of motorists in the authenticity of driver's license issued by Lagos State. This in turn will enable an indirect positive impact on revenue generation of the state. It will also serve as a platform for verification of driver's license and eliminate counterfeits. Today, you can go on the website to verify vehicle registration. The address is www.lsmaapvs.org. Once there, once you input the plate number, you will see the status of the vehicle. You see the type, the make, and also the registration information and management in all institutions. The private schools registration portal. This portal, upon completion, will ease the process of registration of private schools in Lagos State. The portal will also boost the confidence of private school owners and enhance revenue generation in the state. It will also serve as a platform
for the verification of approved private schools in Lagos State and reduce the risk of patronizing the unapproved private schools by Lagos residents. We also have the Lagos State Online Recruitment Portal. This is a solution designed for recruitment of staff. The existing Lagos State Job Portal has been redesigned and upgraded. The newly upgraded portal is an enhancement on the previous one in order to accommodate and allow new features. The portal provides an online platform for the registration of prospective job seekers, selection, recruitment, and online testing. This system provides an online testing platform that permits the use of devices like computers and mobile devices without the need for a testing center. The URL is also provided, which is jobs.lagosstate.gov.ng. Over 1,500 local government staff were recruited in November 2017 using this. The land use charge is a statutory levy on landed properties in Lagos State. LUC Online Portal was developed to enable seamless payment of the charge, especially online using payment cards and bank transfer. Lagosians can now request their LUC bills using this portal and make payments accordingly from anywhere in the world where there is internet access. Training on customer care module and customer service delivery on land use charge was also done. The URL is at luconline.lagosstate.gov.ng. We also have the Lagos State Government website. This is a one-stop platform of information about all ministries, departments, and agencies in Lagos State. Events, programs, and activities of the MDAs are always available online, integrated with all social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. The site is at www.lagosstate.gov.ng. The application, the CRM application, people can access the site at citizensgate.lagosstate.gov.ng, and it's also possible to download the app to smartphones. It's available at Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The platform has made it possible for people to file complaints, make inquiries, provide suggestions and commendations on governance via mobile application and the web. The platform has helped the state to manage outbreak of epidemics, address child abuse, inform the state about security matters, traffic management, and infrastructure, to showcase their talents, being future technology leaders. With the burgeoning youth population facing growing employment challenges, Lagos State saw the need to embrace software development and key into the vast opportunities available. The architect rendition of the drawing is shown on the right of the screen. The Lagos ICT Hub benefits. The hub is planned to be a congregation of technology entrepreneurs and support service providers to serve as the platform for the conceptualization, germination, and penetration of all IT services in the development of an intelligent Lagos State and Nigeria, to enhance ICT competencies and the deployment of same in governance, business, and everyday lifestyle of Lagosians in particular, and Nigeria in general, to promote knowledge, employment generation, wealth creation, and economic prosperity for the citizens of the state and government.
Upon successful implementation of the ICT Hub, Lagos State will become the catalyst for IT penetration and enablement in Nigeria and Africa. To become a smart city, to make sure that data is managed effectively, we will be collecting tons of data using the high-definition cameras, and we're going to have laws and policies in place that will guide us as to the collection, the use, and also the disposition of the data. The laws will allow us to set parameters such as how long we can keep the data, for what purpose can we use the data, and can the data be released to anyone? The answer to that is no. The data is being collected for government use. It will take court order for an individual to request the data for any type of usage. The law, the GDPR, the data protection law will be fashioned after the EU GDPR. We're waiting for the federal government. They already have the guidelines. The guidance is in place, but the law is not yet in place. But Lagos State has taken a bold step to start working on data protection law, and we hope that will be in place before we start deploying additional cameras. Code Lagos is headed by the Office of the Special Advisor on Education. This is to provide training to our citizens to learn how to code, how to write programs in different computer languages available. We have seen the likes of GE also investing in this area. So also is Google. This is a testament to the foundation put in place by the governor. We're in full support of it and will continue to provide all the necessary support to make sure that we have our citizens trained on how to write programs, because that will lead to more programmers and they'll be able to work in areas where of cards. In order to know how to plan, economic planning, in order to know how to deploy resources across the state, in order to know how many schools we need to build, how many hospitals we need to build, we need to get information about our demographics. That is why LASTRA is doing the collection. Right now, we've collected around 4 million data on citizens, and the exercise is still ongoing. We will continue to do so.